Man, it's when's it gonna? When's God gonna take him?
Want to go to another drunk? Jeff the drunk.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Hey Jeff.
Good morning.
What can we do for you?
I just want to say Happy Valentine's Day, Robin.
Well, thank you, Jeff.
I'm at Mazinski.
Oh,
No.
Lazinski.
I was
She's not
joking.
here.
That was a joke.
What'd you give your mom? What'd you give your mom for Valentine's Day?
Nothing yet.
You're not giving her anything, are you?
I am.
No, you're not.
I am.
This poor woman lives with him in a trailer. He mooches off her. He won't get a job. This poor woman won't even get a Valentine's chocolate.
No, she won't even get a card.
I'm Howard.
What?
I have a job.
What's your job?
I'm selling stuff on the internet.
Oh.
You sell your mom's stuff on the internet?
No.
What stuff
I sell
are you
my own
selling?
stuff.
What do you sell?
Like T-shirts,
Yeah.
pictures, phone calls.
Why don't you just give your mom, like...
What does he think? He's a pretty girl?
Why don't you just vomit into a box and then give it to your mom? Instead of, like, just doing it right on the floor.
Wait, let me wrap your gift.
Yeah, he thinks he's a hot chick. He's selling T-shirts.
I'm selling my pen.
He's selling his pictures.
Why
Howard,
don't you vomit in a box in the shape of a heart?
you think I can play that game?
No.
What? No.
No.
He's shocked.
Bob, for Valentine's Day, I fell in the dryer.
How's life in the trailer?
All right.
Thinking of moving out and getting your mom her own place? No.
Thinking of changing parking spaces?
Dude, get your mom a card, for Christ's sakes. The woman puts up with such crap from you.
I am.
I mean, honestly, man.
How's he going to get out to get a card?
I can't get out. I'm too lazy.
Where am I going to go? Where do we have cards? Hey, Jeff tells me he cooks for his mother, right? Don't you cook for her?
Yeah.
Wow, what a treat.
With that one hand?
What do you make?
Well, last time I cooked, I made pork chops,
Do you have any feeling in that bad hand?
stuffing. No.
It'd be funny if you just stuck that in the frying pan and cooked it.
I turned it. I flipped it.
Mom, here's some hand and eggs.
I'm cooking my hand.
Sorry.
I call this hand and eggs. More bad hand and eggs.
Green eggs and hand.
Have an eggs and hand sandwich, please.
Ham and cheese.
You got that hat on right already?
No.
Yeah.
No.
What, are you in bed, calling us from bed?
Yep.
Yeah. Just gonna chill out today.
Just waking up.
Gonna
Waking up.
Have a drink yet?
Not yet.
Not yet. When will be the first drink?
Who knows?
Probably in an hour or so, huh?
Well,
Do you start right away? Once you get up, you start drinking?
no.
When do you start?
Maybe smoke some weed when you get up.
Maybe, yeah.
That's what you do in the morning. Okay.
How do you have money for weed?
I don't know.
He always has a little weed.
Does he?
Yeah.
You want me to take a hit right now?
Yeah,
Do whatever you want, man.
let's hear that.
Well, hold on. Let me get up.
Uh-oh.
Imagine his mother's life. I mean, this is her son she has to look at every
I'm
day.
thinking he sleeps in the front. She's trapped in the back.
Hold on. I'm getting there.
He's like, let me get up. Oh. What is that sight like?
Oh, I can't even imagine. What does he sleep in?
I feel bad for the weed.
He's a real looker without the hat, too.
And matted down greasy hair.
God.
What do you think he sleeps in? Just like his underwear or something?
You know what he looks like without the hat? You know, like in that movie Escape from Alcatraz, the fake heads they left in the bed?
Is your mom still in the hospital?
No, she's home.
Oh, she was in the hospital? I didn't realize.
Yeah, she broke her hip.
Yeah, trying to run away from him.
No, she really is trapped.
Yeah, she's trapped in that trailer with him. And look who's taking care of her.
Nobody.
Yeah. No one.
I take care of my mommy.
A vegetable's taking care of mom.
I take care of my mama. Stop.
Do you ever, like, wake up in the morning and say, today I'm going to change my life and I'm going to get a job and I'm going to maybe take care of my mom?
Okay, I'm ready to hit this.
All right.
It's back and ready to go.
Go ahead.
Okay.
Like a child. Like, where's he get the money for weed? course, this isn't funny because he doesn't have a bong and you can't hear it.
Yeah, what's he sucking on? A joint?
Yeah. He wants us
A
to hear.
bowl. Hold on.
Pipe.
I didn't get a good enough hit. Hold on.
I can still remember I'm alive.
Imagine he just woke up and he's hitting it already.
That he has it is ridiculous because he has no money.
Hey, Mom, I'm
What are
up.
you doing?
Whoa. Whoa.
He's in a trailer right now coughing up a lung.
Don't wake me up.
What the hell is going on?
Hey, I think you need another hit.
This is life.
I got it right here, dude. Hold on.
Oh, no.
2.
Oh, God. Compare his life to like Nicky Hilton.
Yeah.
Wouldn't you give up smoking anything
Oh, no. Why would I do that?
if this is what happened to you when you
Whoa.
smoked?
Makes me feel good.
Jeff, did that wake your mother up or what?
No, she's on the other side of the trailer, dude.
Oh, yeah, nobody can hear anything that far away.
She's in the trunk.
You know how those trailers are insulated. You know what? There's a big imaginary line down the middle of the trailer. She stays on her
It's
side.
like she's at the other wing of the trailer.
No, my mom's at work.
Yeah, she hobbled there with a broken hip.
She dragged herself.
My mom's built in the deck.
She's hopping around pretty good.
Yeah, that's great.
She's hopping around pretty good.
Yeah. All right, bro. I gotta go. Good to hear from you. Happy Valentine's Day.
Yeah, happy Valentine's Day.
All right.
Have a nice breakfast, Jeff.
Hey, wait a second. Be quiet for a second. I hear your mom crying on the other side of the trailer.
No, she's not. Come on.
Hey, Mom.
If she's not crying,
Hey, can I throw in the plug, Howard?
I stole stuff on the internet, Mom. Good news.
what have you sold so far? Have you sold a T-shirt?
So
Yeah,
nothing.
guess who bought one?
Who?
Vinny Favali.
No.
Dear.
All right.
Yeah, you want me to take another hit for you guys?
Sure, go ahead.
God, I can't.
Okay.
Yeah, do this all morning.
Sure, I can.
Are you
Hey, is
feeling
Sly
anything?
coming in today?
Who?
Sylvester Stallone.
Yeah, he'll be in later.
Is
Gary.
it the 8th?
Maybe tomorrow, right?
Wait, Gary says he thought it was this year. It turns out it's 2020.
Jeff's calendar says March 8th.
Well, Sylvester Stallone's coming in today. It's the 14th. I'm not kidding.
Oh.
Oh, boy.
Is that really what happens every time you take a hit?
Not every not every time. Just sometimes.
God, I'm so jealous. Sounds like such a party going on there.
Nice.
Yeah. I guess the girls will be coming over soon.
Sometime.
Yeah. All right, we'll be back right after.
Okay, Howard, have a good one.
Thank you, Jeff.
Bye-bye.
All right, bye-bye.
Now that we all feel better about our lives.
That's Jeff.
Don't you think like the kids at the trailer park throw stuff at Jeff?
Oh, yeah, they gotta.
I hope not. But
Stop it, Timmy.